This one is also from Beech Mountain, North Carolina, where I'm from. And you mentioned earlier Buna Hicks. This is one of this is one that I learned from the singing of Beauty. It's called "The Day Is Past and Gone." The day is past and gone. The evening shade appears. Oh, may we all remember well the night of death draws near. We lay our garments by, and on our beds we rest. So death will soon disrobe us all of what we here possess. Lord, keep us safe this night, secure from all our fears. May angels guard us in our sleep till morning light appears. And when we early rise and view the morning sun, may we step out to view the prize, and after glory run.